Hello guys, my name is Gary and welcome to chessdelights.com YouTube channel. I just want to ask, do you love silicone chessboard like I do? But you get distracted from dirt of your silicone chessboard, some dust, and sometimes single strands of hair stick to my silicone chessboard almost all the time whenever I place it on a tabletop. So you want to know the number one way to clean your silicone chessboard? Then you are on the right video. If you already have a silicone chessboard and you have a really effective way to get rid of dirt, then please share your ideas with us by commenting below. Okay, so first, what is my number one way in cleaning silicone chessboard? The answer is cleaning wipes or baby wipes. So just a disclaimer, please check carefully if discoloration occurs while using cleaning wipes. If you happen to follow this advice, just discontinue it if that happens. Well, because for me, I use them well because I do have two kids and it's convenient for me. So let me show you how I use the cleaning wipes to clean my silicone chessboard. Okay, so this is a silicone chessboard wherein I'm using a cleaning wipes to clean it. So there's not much there because I already cleaned it, and I try to turn it over so that it can accumulate some dirt. As you can see at the back, there's already small dirt, and it was easily removed by the wipes. So I turn it over again, and then this is the baby wipes that I'm using. I just take one piece and then fold it, then slowly take some, I saw some dirt on that side, and then I slowly wipe it off with wipes. Usually it's the side of the silicone chessboard that are usually getting most of the dirt. It can easily be removed by the cleaning wipes, so I love using the cleaning wipes for removing small dirts on my silicone board. And it's quite fast, and just keep it, just shake it and then put it back on the tabletop. Now get a soft, clean cloth to dry it out. You can see some more dirt. Just use the wipes again, the one that you use. Just keep on cleaning it, then drying it with a soft cloth. And then I'm using a plastic cover so that once it's clean, I can just keep it inside. So that dirt, small dirt, will accumulate if I'm not using it. The plastic came with the full set, so if you buy that silicone chessboard, it usually comes with a plastic, and then just fold it. You can fold it how many times you want because it's a silicone board. It doesn't produce any creases. And that's it. You can put it back to your box, and your silicone chessboard is clean. So that is a quick example or a video on how I clean my silicone chessboard with baby wipes. Another advantage of using cleaning wipes is that it can also eliminate the rubbery smell of your silicone chessboard. But I do not recommend using cleaning wipes with a sharp and strong type of smell. Because most of the cleaning wipes have an isopropyl content, you really need to be careful in using cleaning wipes to avoid damaging the color of your chess squares. For me, I buy a small size, pocket size cleaning wipes that is readily available at my desk whenever I'm going to play chess with my family. So once I wipe the dirty sides and squares of the silicone chessboard, I wipe it with a dry, small piece of clean cloth. Just like with the example video. So just make sure you're using a soft type of clothing so that you don't damage the texture of your silicone chessboard. But sometimes I do not use small piece of cloth, but instead I just air dry it or let it dry for a while, and then I can use it again. The only drawback with using a cleaning wipes is that it can be sometimes costly, or you cannot reuse the cleaning wipes again. So again, note for you, if you notice that your chess squares are fading in color by using cleaning wipes, stop using it if that happens. So that's it for how to clean your silicone chessboard. In my website, I have shared the steps I follow to clean my silicone chessboard, and you can just go to my website chessdelights.com or just Google how to clean your silicone chessboard and look for the chessdelights.com website. Again, just Google it, how to clean your silicone chessboard, and you'll find my website there. Thank you for watching. Just to summarize the video, the number one way I clean my silicone chessboard is first use cleaning wipes, second is soft cloth, third is place it on the plastic sheet after cleaning it with soft cloth and wipes. So that's it. You can have a clean silicone chessboard from now on. And again, check the steps by typing in Google how to clean your silicone chessboard and look for my website. Cheers!